how I style my jersey hijab with a hoodie. Jersey hijabs are great at giving you that effortless casual look, but I promise you, you can still make them look very stylish and chic, even if you're wearing the hoodie. Here's what you need. An undercap, but it's completely optional because jersey hijabs are not see-through at all. You need a jersey hijab, one straight pin, and a hijab magnet. Let's start by placing a jersey hijab over our head. Very short side, very long side. I like to fold in my hijabs, frame it around my face. I placed a hijab magnet on each side of my hijab to get it to hold very securely. I'm gonna tuck this short side inside. Once it's tucked in, I'm going to wrap the long side all the way around my head. I'm going to grab this fabric here and fold it in and then pin it right here. Just like so. Now I'm going to grab this fabric and tuck it in to my hoodie. And this is the final look. I tuck everything in. I have really good neck coverage. I have a good hair coverage. It's very stretchy, very comfortable. I can put my hood on if I wanted to. I have 2 young children and I still manage to get everything done with them even when I'm wearing not a sports hijab. Give it a go and let me know how you go.